Hello guys, and welcome to another graphic design tutorial using CorelDraw. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate or copy and paste objects in CorelDraw. To begin, I'm going to come over here and select the ellipse tool, and I'm going to hold down Ctrl and draw a perfect circle. To give this a color, I'm just going to come over here and select a fill color over here. To duplicate this, there are a couple of ways to do this. The first way is to come over here to edit and scroll down and select copy, and come back again once more to edit and scroll down and select paste. Now it doesn't look like anything yet, but if you come over here and select your pick tool over here and drag it out, you will see that we've actually duplicated that object over there. Another way to do it is to select this object over here, right click, and you can select copy, and select any portion over here, right click and select paste. Once more, it doesn't look like much, but if you select it and drag it, you will see that we actually duplicated it. Another way to duplicate an object in CorelDraw is to select that object and hit Ctrl D. And as you can see, we've successfully duplicated that object. The final way to duplicate an object in CorelDraw is to select that object, hold down the left click on your mouse, and drag it to where you want to duplicate it to, and right click until you see that plus sign, and release both the left click and the right click, and as you can see, we successfully duplicated that object. And these are the 4 ways to duplicate an object in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.